Hello and welcome to Create with Google Slides. In this module, you will learn to create a Google Slides template. When created well, a template can add a layer of consistency and professionalism to your class. So to begin, I'm going to go to File, New, Presentation. And with that open, I can see toward the right side of my screen all the different themes that are pre-existing in Google Slides. And I'm going to pick one that's close to what I would like my presentation to look like. So I'll click on Modern Writer. And now here's the most important part for making a Google Slides template. You need to go to View and Theme Builder. This is where you can create a new theme or create a new template. So this has changed the focus a little bit. On the left-hand side, we see all the different layouts that if you click on slide up here when you're in a normal presentation, you'll have all the different layouts that you can use for your presentation. Above the layouts is theme. Now on this slide, whatever I do on this slide, it's going to edit all of the other slides. So one thing I could do is add a logo to all the slides. If you have a school logo or a company logo. So just for the sake of copyright, I'll go to Pencil Clip Art. And I'm going to insert that to my presentation. And you'll see that that has changed all of the other slides in the presentation. So say I wanted my company or my school logo to be up at the top right of every slide. Now, where I've edited that, that's going to be changed on all of them. Also, if I would like to change the font, I can, the font of every slide, you'll notice that my change that I made to theme has now changed the font here and the font on all of the other slides. Here is where you can change the font after every time you press tab. The first level is what font will automatically pop up, and then the rest are if you press tab while in a bulleted list. So I can change those as well to whatever I would like, whatever looks best to me. All right. So also you can edit the individual slides. So that while I'm on theme, I'm editing all of the slides. While I'm on individual ones, then I'm just editing what's going to pop up in layouts. So let's go to this one. And so maybe I want to change all of these fonts. For example, you can change whatever you would like, but you want to change them all to whatever font looks best to you. You can do that. You can also create new slides by duplicating. So sometimes I would like to have a slide that looks like this, but then have a similar one that has the reverse effect where all the things that are on the left go to the right, and all the things that are on the right go to the left. And I can do that just by dragging things around. So this white needs to go to that side, and now I can go through and drag everything back. And what that's going to do is create a very similar slide that sometimes I like to have in my presentations. So we're very close. Now I have a very similar slide. I would take the pencil out because that doesn't look great, but for the sake of time, now I've added another slide to my presentation. So you can add other types of slides. All right, so before I close out of this, I'm going to rename this as, we'll say, Mr. Albert's class template. And we're doing this for the sake of consistency. Now, whenever I want to access this, I'm going to once again go to File and to New Presentation. Now, you won't notice it pop up on the right side with all the other themes. Instead, you'll need to go to Import Theme at the bottom. And it pops up right there. Now, you can find that right now because I just worked on it last, but eventually that will go away. So I'll instead need to go and search Mr. Albert's class template. You can see I've done this a couple of times. And there it is. I had made a different one. Here's my official class template, and I'm going to import that theme. And there we have it. Now if I go to layout, I can see all of the different slide possibilities, including the one that I had duplicated and edited. So if I went to layout for this one, I can have both of those slides that I had created. So as you continue on in this module, you will practice what you learned about template design, and then you will put it all to use in the project at the end of the module. See you next time.